had a client I filed taxes for who did not send me all of their income from the previous year. And because of that, their return from the IRS got delayed and there was some real frustration for them. And they said something to me that I've heard a lot and seen a lot before. And it's, hey, the IRS knows exactly how much we make and they know what we owe. So why don't they just do it all automatically, give us a refund or take our money? Right. That sounds like a nice, like catchy thing to say and be annoyed about the IRS. But if you think about it, your income gets reported to the IRS and your 401k contributions, whatever. So, yes, the IRS has a lot of income related items reported to them. They also get some things regarding your investment income, maybe if you pay mortgage interest, stuff like that. But not everything is reported to them. It's not reported to them if you have children, if you have business deductions, if you have different types of credits or family information. Doesn't report the self-employed health insurance deduction. So there's all these things where like, okay, the IRS knows your income, so they could just bill you off that. What the tax return does is it gives us a chance, a few things, but to validate what the IRS has, if that's right. And if there's mismatches, they'll ask you about it and you can explain to them. But primarily it's so you can create the best tax return for you to owe as little as possible legally. So that's where we can claim different credits and the business expenses. They don't know anything about how much your business makes. So while that's a fun thing to say, screw the IRS, they already know everything. Why don't they just, do it automatically? They really can't. I don't see that changing anytime soon because there is so much self-reporting required to do it right. And I always encourage everyone to do everything as accurate as possible on their first go of the tax return so there is not a delay in their refund.